Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a review of the IGxx glitter shoes for men.
If you're into fashion that makes a statement, these might just be your next favorite pair.
Stick around as we explore what makes these shoes stand out from the crowd.
These IGxx glitter shoes are not your average sneakers. They're designed to sparkle and shine, making them perfect for any occasion where you want to turn heads. Whether it's a party, a night out, or just wanting to add a bit of glam to your everyday look, these shoes deliver. The high-top design adds a touch of elegance while providing ankle support.
The sequins are securely attached, ensuring durability without compromising on style.
A sturdy rubber sole gives you traction and comfort throughout the day.
Comfort is key, especially with flashy shoes like these.
The IGxx glitter shoes are surprisingly comfortable, with a plush interior that keeps your feet happy even during extended wear. They run true to size, but I recommend checking the size chart on Amazon to ensure the perfect fit.
For a casual look, pair them with jeans and a simple t-shirt.
Let the shoes be the focal point.
If you're feeling adventurous, try them with a monochrome outfit to really let the glitter pop.
Don't be afraid to experiment. These shoes are versatile enough for both day and night looks.
Overall, the IGxx glitter shoes for men are a fantastic choice if you're looking to add some sparkle to your wardrobe.
They're well made, comfortable, and guaranteed to get you noticed wherever you go. Whether you're headed to a party or just want to elevate your daily style, these shoes won't disappoint.
If you're interested in checking out these shoes for yourself, I've left a link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest fashion trends and products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.